Hey YouTube, Jabbermini here with another video from my tent at Blue Lake, Rotorua. So, as you saw from the title of this video, key to peace and unity. That's what focus this video is today. So, I believe the key to peace and unity is forgiveness. Only when everyone is forgiven of things they've done can peace and unity be achieved. Forgiveness starts by letting go of the past. I know it's hard sometimes when something's gone wrong or you've done something. It can be hard to forget about it, but you just need to let it go. To quote a wise old monkey, the past can hurt, but the way I see it, you can run from it or learn from it. You need to learn from the mistakes you've made and then move on, instead of running from all the bad things or all the wrong things that have happened in the past. The past is behind you. You need to look towards the future, and only then peace and unity can be achieved. If a promise has been broken, find it in your heart to forgive that person who broke promise to you. Don't hold a grudge, because it can get, the longer it takes for you to forgive that person, the harder it is to forgive them. Plans can change. Things won't always go your way. If something happens, just forget about it and forgive the person that changed plan, and then you'll feel better. Again, it's in the past. Forget about it. Don't let your past hold you back, because you need to look towards the future that's ahead of you, instead of all the things that have happened in the past behind you. Don't let what others have said or done to you in the past hold you down. Forgive them. It can be hard, but it's better to forgive. And I know personally from my experience, I've had to forgive people for things that they've said to me, and I've had to just forget about some nasty comments that have been said towards me, but now I've just forgotten about it, and now I can focus and move forward into the future. Unforgiveness can be very dangerous. Don't let it consume you, because it can lead you into a very dark place, full of hatred, guilt, shame. Heck, it could start depression. So that's why you need to forgive. I believe that if the world forgives everyone, like countries forgive other countries for what they did in the past, then I believe that there'll be love, respect, peace instead of war, and best of all, unity. The whole world acting as one. If we forgive each other for what happened in the past, we could save time. Time to spend with loved ones. Time that can save the world. I hope you've been inspired by this video. And I hope you learn to forgive others. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And I will see you next video.